Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Amazon Fire Stick. So I'm just on the home screen and I want to go on over to settings and select it here. Then go on down to where it says My Fire TV. Select it. Then go to the About section. And this says View and Manage Device Information, Available Storage, Space, Network Connections, and System Updates. So let's select About. Then we can go on down to where it says Install Updates. An update is available. The update will automatically begin the next time your Amazon Fire TV 4K Max is not in use. Installing the update may require a device reboot. Press Select to install. So let's press Select on this. And it's going to finish the update and install it right now. So this will force it to update. And it should be good to go from here on out. If this video did indeed help you guys out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech tips coming up next on YourSixTech.